Hello, I would like to show you how to switch the video mode and camera mode on this camcorder HDV S38. Turn on the screen, please. See, we are directly into the video mode now, and then press the mode key. You will turn to the camera mode. Okay, and press the mode key again. Now you are entered to the playback mode. Okay, back to video mode. If you want to take a video, press this video key. Now recording a video, yeah. That's okay. Finish, press the key to finish the recording a video. If you want to take a photo, press the move key to turn to the camera mode, and then press this photo key to take a photo. Okay, that's alright. And want to turn to playback mode. Now you can preview the video or photo on this page. Okay, and then okay, up, that's alright. Turn off.